Ever feel like your JSON is robbing you blind? You're just trying to send some data to your AI, but the real payload is all those curly braces and quotes racking up your bill. Imagine this. Your valuable data is just 100,000 tokens, but JSON says, nah, let's make it 200,000. At that rate, your startup might run out of funding before your next API call. To save your tokens and your sanity, meet Toon, short for Token-Oriented Object Notation. It's like JSON, but on a serious diet. Toon is a compact human-readable data format built specifically for AI and machine learning workflows. Think of it as JSON on a diet. Same information, fewer tokens. Here's a simple example. In JSON, a list of users might look like this. With Toon, the same data becomes, see the difference? No quotes, no brackets, just clean, compact data. By trimming all that extra punctuation, Toon can cut token usage by 30 to 60% compared to JSON. That means cheaper prompts, faster responses, and easier parsing for AI models. Toon is lossless. It keeps exactly the same data as JSON. You can store your data in JSON, then use Toon libraries in Python or TypeScript to convert it before sending it to your LLM. If your data looks like a table, users, products, analytics, Toon is perfect. But, of course, Toon isn't perfect. If your data is deeply nested or highly structured, you might not save many tokens. In fact, it can get trickier to manage. And since Toon is still a new technology, it's hard to say exactly how the industry will respond. But right now, it's looking really promising, and the results speak for themselves. So what do you think? Could Toon replace JSON for AI workflows? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow nerds.